I love these refillable water bottles with this one's got a filter built into it. It's pretty cool. So all you have to do is just fill this up. You know, when you get to a stream and it's empty, refill it, drink it all, refill it, drink it all, and then refill it again. You'll be good on water for, you know, quite a while. So it's handy if you run into these streams like this. Just want to check out this, looks like some kind of old structure. It's got the crude stone foundation. The cracks might have been filled, yeah, the cracks were filled in with mud, so. But it's just a depression with the stone foundation. The side of a hill. Health tip, long sleeves, pants, really help protect you from the sun and mosquitoes when you're out at higher elevations. The sun is way worse. Thanks to the forest workers cutting down, getting these trees off the trail. Appreciate that so much. I hate ducking under and crawling over trees. Thank you guys. White River National Forest. Appreciate it. Alright, so I turned around about a half an hour ago after I ate lunch. Started hearing thunder, and so I just wanted to start heading back and avoid any kind of weather or anything like that. It's definitely some gray clouds picking up here. I don't know if you can see them in the background, but that was a great hike. Just gonna head back and rest my knee, basically. You guys, I got super lucky with the rain. Sorry for the wind. But it's like raining way over there. It's also raining way over there, so nice. Lucky me.